Big Brother 27 has officially entered one of its most intense phases as Week 11 begins, and the results of the latest Head of Household competition are in. With only a handful of house guests left in the game, the pressure has skyrocketed, and every single move could determine who makes it to finale night and who leaves just short of the grand prize. Week 11's Ho competition was highly anticipated not only by fans but also by the remaining house guests, each of whom understands how critical this point of the season truly is. The Week 11 Head of Household results are in, and they have already shaken up the game in ways no one could have predicted. This competition was not just about power. It was about survival, strategy, and setting the stage for the endgame of Big Brother 27. The competition began immediately after the shocking events of Week 10, where alliances were tested, betrayals were revealed, and trust was shattered inside the Big Brother house. As the outgoing Ho was not eligible to compete, the field was wide open for the rest of the house guests. Each player entered the arena with a specific agenda, whether it was to protect allies, secure their own safety, or make a bold move to boost their resume for the jury. The audience knew that no matter who won, the game would never be the same again. Week 11 Ho had the potential to completely shift the dynamics, especially with fewer players left and the jury already keeping a close eye on how each move will impact their eventual vote. The competition itself was a grueling mix of endurance, focus, and willpower. Big Brother fans know that the Week 11 Ho is often designed to test not only physical stamina but also mental toughness. This season was no different. The house guests were required to balance on moving platforms while simultaneously answering memory-based questions about past events in the house. One wrong answer could cost a player their balance, and one slip could send them tumbling out of the competition. It quickly became clear that this Ho wasn't going to be easy, and the stakes made it even more difficult. Some players who were considered strong physical competitors struggled early, while others who were underestimated proved that determination and focus could take them far. As the minutes stretched into hours, alliances whispered in the background, silent deals were exchanged through nods and gestures. And every single competitor knew that this was a defining moment. The jury will not only look at who wins but also how they win, and this week's Ho needed to prove that they had the grit to outlast everyone. Several players fell early, leaving only a handful of house guests to battle it out for the crown. The final stretch of the competition came down to sheer endurance. It was a test of who wanted it the most, who needed it the most, and who was willing to endure the pain and exhaustion for safety and peace. After what felt like an eternity, the winner of Week 11 Head of Household was finally crowned. In a stunning turn of events, Ho winner's name claimed the victory, securing the most important power in the game at one of the most pivotal points of the season. This win immediately sent shockwaves through the house, as it not only guaranteed safety for the new Ho but also put their allies in a more comfortable position while placing their enemies directly in danger. The announcement of the winner's name was met with mixed reactions. Some house guests celebrated, relieved that they were in good standing with the new Ho, while others struggled to hide their disappointment and fear, knowing their game might soon come to an end. This victory could not have come at a better time for Ho winner's name, who has been navigating tricky alliances and building a reputation as a strong competitor. By securing this win, they have solidified themselves as a force to be reckoned with heading into the final stretch of the competition. However, as any Big Brother fan knows, being Ho in Week 11 is a double-edged sword. The jury is already forming opinions, and bold moves can either be seen as gameplay brilliance or as a betrayal that costs votes in the end. The new Ho must carefully decide who to target, balancing personal grudges with strategic threats. All eyes are now on the nomination ceremony, where the new Ho will have to reveal their choices. Fans are already speculating about potential nominees. Will the Ho go after the biggest threats left in the game, or will they play it safe by nominating floaters and letting the veto competition decide? Some house guests have made it clear that they feel untouchable, but Big Brother history proves that no one is ever truly safe, especially this deep in to the game. With so few players remaining, every single move carries weight, and every decision could mean the difference between making it to the final three or becoming the next juror. The aftermath of the Week 11 Ho results has already created tension in the house. Whispers of paranoia are spreading, alliances are scrambling to secure safety, and even the closest of friendships are starting to crack under the pressure. Some players are attempting to strike last-minute deals, while others are preparing for the possibility of sitting on the block. The mood in the house is tense, as everyone realizes just how limited their options are. Unlike the early weeks, where there were multiple targets to choose from, the Ho now has to make bold choices that could define the rest of the season. Fans watching at home are thrilled by the unexpected outcome of this week's Ho competition. Social media has exploded with reactions, with many praising Ho winners' name for their endurance and determination, while others argue that this victory puts an even bigger target on their back for the W. Weeks to come. Some fans believe this could be the game-winning move, while others predict that it may backfire if the Ho is unable to follow through on strategic decisions. Either way, the excitement is undeniable, and viewers are already counting down to the nomination ceremony to see what happens. Next, this week's Ho results also raise questions about the future of alliances in the house. Will existing partnerships hold strong under the pressure, or will they collapse as individual players start prioritizing their endgame over loyalty? At this stage, alliances often become fragile, with members turning on each other in pursuit of the $750,000 grand prize. The new HOH's decisions will force everyone to reveal their true loyalties, and betrayals may be inevitable. Every move from here on out is about building a resume strong enough to impress the jury but subtle enough not to alienate potential votes. Big Brother 27 has been filled with twists, blindsides, and shocking moments, and Week 11 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting yet. The Ho competition results mark the beginning of a week filled with drama, strategy, and potentially explosive confrontations. The house is no longer a place of comfort. It is a battlefield where every conversation matters, every look carries weight, and every decision could be the difference between winning and losing. For the new Ho, this is both an incredible opportunity and an enormous responsibility, as fans eagerly await the next events, the nominations, the veto competition, and the eventual eviction. One thing is certain, Big Brother 27 is delivering the drama that viewers crave. Week 11 has set the stage for an unforgettable endgame, and the new Ho has already proven that they are willing to fight for their place in the house. With so much at stake and so few players left, the next few days will be crucial, not only for the Ho but for every single house guest still competing. NG. Big Brother thrives on unpredictability, and if there's one lesson fans have learned, it's to expect the unexpected. Week 11's Ho results have shifted the trajectory of the season, and no one can say for sure what will happen next. Alliances may crumble, underdogs may rise, and favorites may fall, but that is the beauty of the game. Every move counts, and every choice has consequences. As the house guests prepare for what's to come, viewers can be certain that Big Brother 27 is far from finished delivering shocking twists and new unforgettable gameplay. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.